Many Ugandan workers come to Saudi Arabia without knowing the truth. One small mistake can cost you freedom, your job, and your future. As I clean the sitting room today, I want to share a serious warning that every Ugandan worker must hear. What happens to Ugandan workers in Saudi Arabia who have that thing in quotes outside marriage? I think you can understand when I say that thing outside marriage. Today, I'm going to share real life experience as a Ugandan working in Saudi Arabia. As you see on the screen, today I'm doing a general cleaning of the sitting room, dusting, arranging, and making the home clean and comfortable. Cleaning may look simple, but for many of us working abroad, it comes with many life lessons. In today's video, I want us to talk about a very serious and sensitive topic. What happens to Ugandan workers in Saudi Arabia who have that thing outside marriage? This video is not to judge anyone. It is for education, awareness, and protection, especially for those planning to come to Saudi Arabia or those already here. As I wipe those surfaces and arrange the sitting room, let me say this clearly. Saudi Arabia is very different from Uganda and many other countries around the world. Saudi Arabia follows Islamic laws and strict culture rules. Things that may look normal back home can be very serious offense here. One of them is that thing outside marriage, also known as zina. Whether you are married or single, if you are found having that thing with someone who is not your legal spouse, the consequences can be very heavy, especially for foreign workers. When I mean that thing, I think you can understand. I don't want to say the word because YouTube does not allow us to speak some words when we are making videos. In Saudi Arabia, that thing outside marriage is legal. This applies to all housemates, drivers, security guards, cleaners, nannies, or any foreign workers. If someone is reported, caught, or invested, the case can go to the police and court. For Ugandan workers, this can lead to detention, jail time, deportation, permanent ban from Saudi Arabia. Sometimes the case can start from pregnancy, hospital reports, employer suspension, neighbors reporting, phone messages, or photos. This is why life here requires extra discipline and caution. Pregnant cases. One of the most common ways these cases are discovered is through pregnancy. If a housemaid becomes pregnant and she is not legally married, hospitals are required to report the case. This can lead to arrest while seeking medical help, being taken to detention centers, court cases before deportation. Many sisters have suffered not because they wanted trouble, but because they did not know the law or trusted the wrong person. As I clean the sitting room, I want you to watch this to understand that ignorance of the law does not protect you. Beyond the law, these situations cause deep emotional pain. Imagine being locked up for far from home, no family support, language barrier, fear and shame, losing your job suddenly. Some workers end up traumatized, depressed, or ashamed to return home. This is why I believe it's better to prevent than regret. Working abroad is already hard. Let us not add more pain to ourselves. Many Ugandan workers, all other workers, get into trouble because of false promises of marriage, emotional manipulation, loneliness, or financial pressure. Some men promise, I'll marry you, I will protect you, nothing will happen. But when trouble starts, you are left alone to face the law. Please remember, your safety is more important than temporary comfort. As I finish arranging the sitting room, let me share some advice. Avoid risky relationships. Respect Saudi laws and culture. Do not trust sweet words easily. Focus on your goals. Save your money. Remember why you came abroad. If you feel lonely, talk to trusted friends. Call home. Pray. Keep busy with work. Discipline today can save your future. To all the workers, the Ugandan workers, the Asian workers, the Philippines, this video is for you. You are strong, brave, and hardworking. So, let's protect our name, our family, our future. I hope this video helps someone avoid pain and trouble. If you find that this video is helpful, please like, comment, share. Share it with someone who needs to hear this message. Very many people are facing problems just in the name of they were being promised. So my fellow workers, be very careful of what you decide in your life. Just one small mistake will ruin you for the rest of your life. Just imagine you are being locked up. You have kids who don't even know where their mother is or their father is. Be very careful. Whatever decision you decide in life, it will affect you positively or negatively. And whatever decision you make, be ready to face the consequences in either way. There is no decision that you have ever made in life and it doesn't have positive or negative effects. But in all whatever decision you make, be ready to stand alone. Be ready to face the challenges and the consequences that come out of that decision. When you get into trouble, nobody will come to rescue you. It's you yourself who is supposed to rescue yourself, knowing the mistake you have made. You either apologize and move on, or you will stay in depression. So always take caution of what you do in life. My fellow Ugandans, my fellow workers, be very careful. All countries have different rules, regulations, and have different traditions and norms. There are some countries that will never joke with what the law says. You might be coming from a country where law is not put into practice, but these Gulf countries, what we call law is put into practice. Can you imagine? If you don't drive well, definitely the cameras on the road will see you, and within a blink of an eye you will be given a ticket and a fine that you didn't drive well on the road. Just imagine you have been passing on the road and that ticket was sent to your phone. Then just imagine if you are a housemaid or a worker and you got into a relationship. People, let's learn to protect our feelings. What feelings that lead you to do what you are not supposed to do? Let's be patient with ourselves. Let's be patient with our feelings. Yes, I get it. Feelings might be very hard to control, but first and foremost, know the reason why you came to work. These people don't joke with their country. These people don't joke with their laws. Just in a blink of an eye, you make a mistake and the laws will have to deal with you. Here in Saudi Arabia, when you steal, whether you steal from your boss, whether you steal from anyone, definitely they'll get you and they'll cut off your hand because you have stolen. Because here, when somebody steals, the law says cut off their hand. When you have that thing outside marriage, definitely they'll have to deal with you. They will not have any questions to answer you. You'll have to pay for what you decided to do. So be very careful in life. In life, we live by choices. Whatever choice you make, either positive, either negative, you will have to face the consequences and you will never run away from the law. There is a case of a girl who got pregnant, and when she gave birth, she was not even able to go back to her country with the child. She had to leave the child here in Saudi Arabia, because once you give birth here in Saudi Arabia, their blood is not allowed to cross any country unless when you are married, when you have the papers. But if you are a worker and you don't have proper documents, you will not be allowed to cross the borders with their blood. So let's be careful. Let's remember where we came from. Let's protect ourselves. Let's look into our feelings. If you feel it's not worth it, let it be, and think of your family, think of your kids. If you are lonely, call home. Talk to somebody than making a mistake that you will regret for the rest of your life. Have you subscribed to my channel? Let me hope so. If you haven't, kindly do so and let me know what you would want me to talk about. Yes, because very many things are happening. So if you feel you would want me to talk about anything, let me know and I'll be glad to address. But all in all, always know what brought you to work here abroad, all in Gulf countries. Gulf countries don't joke with the law. Same to applies to other European countries. They don't joke with the law. Once you break it, you'll have to deal with it without even thinking of anything else. So let's be careful. Yeah, let me know in the comment section. Kindly subscribe to my channel. What would you want me to talk about? By the way, if you want to be safe, if you feel you can have a spouse, make sure you put it into documentation. Yeah, prove to them that you have a man and it's written, it's documented to be on a safe side. But if you feel you don't have any document, protect your feelings, collect all your feelings, collect all your urges, all your egos, put them in a polythene bag, tie them up and put them under your bed so that you can be on a safe side. Otherwise, you'll fall in trouble and you'll have to regret it for the rest of your life. As I was cleaning, I was like, let me share this important information to all my workers. Maybe they can listen to it. Maybe they can know how to protect themselves despite everything. There's some people who don't even take time to read through the laws. They just get a visa, come and they start working. But it's very good to always find out the rules and regulations, the laws that govern that country. If that country doesn't want something, let it be. Don't force it, because once you force it because you have feelings, you are looking for love, tell you what, you'll have to regret it for the rest of your life. This video is for education and awareness, especially for all Ugandan workers, domestic workers, anyone planning to work in the Middle East, the drivers, the Philippines, the Indonesians, the Bangladesh, each and every worker that is coming to work here in Saudi Arabia, all any Gulf country. This video is for you so that you can know how to behave yourself when it comes to these countries. Please like the video, subscribe for more real life experience, and let me hope you also enjoy my other videos about Saudi Arabia life. Yeah, because they have a life. There is that good part about them. They are not, it's not that they only have the bad parts. No, they also have that good part to them if you follow the rules and regulations. I send you my hugs and kisses. Thank you for your amazing support to all my new and old subscribers. But let's take care of ourselves, our lives. Just to know life is precious. Take care of it. Look after yourself. Respect your bosses. And first and foremost, love yourself. When you love yourself, you'll be able to express that love to the people around you, and always learn to keep quiet. Yeah, if something has gone beyond your minds, learn to always keep your mouth shut. Silence is always the best thing that you can ever give to yourself if there is trouble. Because when you keep quiet, you'll be able to avoid getting back to that person that has hurt you. Let me hope this video has been helpful. Let me hope you have learned something. But always and always remember to respect the laws, the culture, and focus on your goals. Save money. Remember why you came abroad. Avoid risky relationships, and don't trust sweet words easily. Yeah, let me hope you have learned something. If you would want me to talk about anything, put it in the comment section and I'll be glad to reply you. But always and always know where you came from. Yeah, don't rely on anybody. Just trust yourself and know what to do, when, how. Yeah, I think that will be helpful, so that you can avoid fear and shame. Yeah, you can avoid losing your job. Yeah, so love you all. Bye bye. We'll meet in my next video. Have you subscribed, guys? Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, but always believe that it's better to prevent than to have to regret it for the rest of your life. So I'm finally done with cleaning. This is how I clean the living room, and it really looks amazing. Bye bye.